So, who wants to play Truth or Dare? I don't know. Seriously, Twilight? Seriously. Guys, calm down. I don't know what to play. See, that's what I mean. If you want any drinks from the bakery and help me bake some stuff, come with me. Man, you never stand up for yourself, Fluttershy. Come on. Come on. Ah. We're here at the bakery now. Finally! Hallelujah! That's a song, you know. I know. Okay, let's do the apples first, guys. Yeah, do the apple. I'll do the cooking. Ah. Sorry. Need a lift? Sure. Ow. Did you almost fall down? Yeah, I almost fell down. Ah, the apples! That's not good. Let me put them in the fridge. Okay, do the fridge. Dang it! Let me bake these. Hey, once we bake them again. Hello. I guess I had to. You have to be kidding me. Okay, I'll not cook the bread yet. Okay? Hey, Miss Lady. Hey, don't call me Miss Lady. Guys, calm down. No, I'm not coming down. Marceline. Oh. Did you just say what shall I do again? Oh, do you have to check? No. No, that means... Lost. Calm down. I can't calm down. Can you help me calm her down? Sure. Ah. Calm down. Not like that. You're the worst friend ever, but you're just still my friend, okay? Okay, then. Wake up. Awesome. Okay, I'm okay. I'm okay. Good. Finally, you're okay. I know. Ding. Oh, the apples are young. Excuse me, Fluttershy. Oh, here's the spoon. Okay, bake them. It can't be fast, you know. I know! Man, this is hard. Yeah, duh. You're slow. Hey, you're slower. You're a giraffe. Huh, you're a husky. Huskies are fast, you know. I'll chase you outside after work is done. Okay. I think they're having a good time at the bakery. I don't know. How about you guys? We don't know. Hey, you calm down, Steven. Okay? Okay. Hey, don't go anywhere. always say okay.
Okay.
See? Your brother is pain in the butt.
Sorry.
Well, he's my boyfriend at least. Sometimes he's dumb. For once. Excuse me. Excuse me. Hey, don't talk back to me. Okay? I'm your friend, Twilight. Is this your mom? No, she's my big sister, my chubby sister. Oopsies. I don't mean to say that out loud. Only in my mind. Well, that was enough. You fall down the radio. Meow. You taught me out like. Sorry. I just hate my sister and the pain of a butt.